Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Exposition. Today I brought you this exciting product. The roof is not tinted because sometimes there's controversy where if you tint the panoramic roof, it causes a crack because it becomes cold and hot, and I guess the tint film is stronger pulling onto the glass, so damages the integrity of the panoramic roof. So this product, ta-da! It's very compact, so you can carry this in your back seat or even in here. It's a beautiful panoramic roof. If you're just a driver, you never get to really look up, right? Because it's right above your head, and there's the pillar, and it gets hot. So this is the one solution you can use to prevent the heat. You can always take this off, so you get two of them. One is from the front, and see, there's a second one. And there's the clips. Sunshade installation method, and in English and Chinese. So this is a panoramic roof. It is already treated and it's tinted. So it's beautiful. I wish it had some kind of a automatic shade with a button over here. Just like Macans. Macans have a panoramic roof. It has an automatic shade. You know, my Taycan doesn't have it. This thing doesn't have it. So when you're parked outside, sometimes it gets hot. I'm gonna use the shade and then show you how I'm gonna install that up here. They supply you with two different type of clips. So this is the regular one, and these are for the middle only. Half of it holds the front, half of it holds the rear. This is very thick quality. Wow, it's very, very nice quality. So that's why they said it's not gonna sag down. Okay, it says front, both sides, top and the bottom. There's no top or bottom. Front goes to the front, and these are the clips. You put one here and one there. So two on the front, like this. Easy. And you just shove that in there. Just like that. So it's hardly noticeable. And then, again, this clip right here, about there. Easy, just go straight up and then turn it. See, that's it. And so two of them are in. So you can kind of distance it. You can just move it around with your finger. And the U-shaped clip on the back, right there in the middle. So it holds the front and the rear shade together. Okay, so I installed it. So it's a two-piece, one there. And very good fit. Anyways, that's the shade. Let me take this car outside and then show you how effective this is. Okay, check this out. Bam. Look at that. It's very, very nice because you can still see out, but it blocks out most of the heat. So it's super nice, and it's very temporary. So you can just remove it and it comes off. Nothing's permanent. Look at this. The rear fits perfectly. Anyways, thank you for viewing my video, and see you on the next one.